Oh my God, it is too much sometimes, man. It's too much sometimes. God knows it's too much sometimes. It's too much. Every time I start the camera, I'm gonna start yawn. Oh my God. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. Today is Tuesday. You are watching this vlog on a Tuesday. Today is Monday, and it is very Monday. It feels very Monday, okay? It feels Monday. I have some errands to run. Let's do that right now, okay? Hey, the driver them bad man that don't let me stand here, so. And all me look, nobody now give me no blind. Why not stay some? I don't even drive one fit. I don't even drive a fit. Come and say, the man them eat the fit, woman them woman them eat the woman them drive fit. I don't even drive a fit. Why you dealing with me like that, man? Alright. Finally, look like somebody give me a blind now. Okay, so our very first stop is, you guessed it, gas station, because the light is on. I need one of those phone mount thing on my dash, so I don't have to be like holding the phone and we can record while I drive like a real vlogger. Yeah, y'all can cash out me the money to buy one if you want to chip in. I'm a beggar, I'm gonna beg, okay? Me ask, so no more want one. Yeah, so I have a couple things to do today. Then after that, I have to pick up Vaneymorgy because I just drop him off at school. I have to pick him back up because he has a test, so I drop him off for doing tests, and then I go pick him back up shortly after, because him not stay all day at school, because you know, if you know, you know. So as I said, fill up first, then pick up Vaneymorgy from school. He's basically being homeschooled right now. But just call it homeschool because I don't know why else to call it. He has to be at school the entire time, but he's not able to stay at school the entire time because he's not doing well. He's having some, weak spells. He's not doing too well, so he cannot be at school full time. But I'm saying that he's being homeschooled because he's teaching himself, as well as my husband and I, chip in every now and then. I do the English and social studies and science, and my husband do the math. Here's a little clip of that. Just coming back from the pharmacy, trying to source this medication that my son needs for chemotherapy, and I am unable to get it. So I'm trying to ask a pharmacist if they can bring it in for me. So far, I just be red tape. I can't get nobody who can carry it in, because like something about licensing, or I don't know, yeah. But it's really hard, yeah, guys. It's really hard, honestly. Trying to keep the little bit of sunshine that I have pocket inside, even though the walls are closing in, the walls are closing in, but I'm trying to keep the little sunshine that I have close. Yeah, feel really tired, man. Feel really tired and exhausted. I have not slept in, I don't know, but I need some sleep. My body feel a rundown, and I feel really exhausted. So right now I'm gonna try see if I can get an hour sleep. Right at present, I am actually at Mr. Warmington office. I'm gonna beg him some money, but I just not feel like I can't take no cussing right now. I don't feel like I can manage it, so I'm not bother. Not today, tomorrow when I feel a little bit better. Tomorrow I'm gonna go over there, because I'm in a good mood right now, and as I said, I'm trying to keep the little sunshine that I have. So, and we all know that Mr. Warmington don't have the cleanest mouth. Yeah, let me not do that. All right, so I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna try and see if I can get a hour sleep, and yeah, just see if I can put on my head little, because as I say, I feel really tired. And when you're tired, and when your nerves are, that feeling there's like your body feel like it'll go so. I'm gonna drink coffee for a long time now, because I try to cut back upon the habits, trying to kick the habit, because I do have an issue where I drink like 3 or 4 cups of coffee daily, right? So I cut back on it now. I'm gonna really drink coffee any at all. And I'm not gonna say any at all. Like rarely I drink coffee now. Because I have another habit. I have another habit that I'm trying to kick. I am overeating because I guess, I don't know, everybody deal with their emotions different, and that's how I deal with mine. I overeat. So since January, since we got the news that my son was diagnosed with cancer, re-diagnosed, then since then I put on 22 pounds, like solid 22 pounds, yeah. So me I try to kick that habit also, and I'm working on it. But whenever I get sad or whenever I'm alone, me eat more. It's like I'm always just feel hungry right through. Like me just feel hungry. Right now, me not have no clothes that can really fit me. I go work and I'm spilling out of all of my clothes. I am so fat. I am busting the seams in my pants and stuff like that. It feels so bad. It feels so bad, and it then that make you feel bad again. And then on top of that, you continue to eat from feeling bad from being overweight, and plus, yeah, it's a lot. Trust me. So when I'm alone, when I am sad, I find myself eating. Look, when I'm going to the supermarket, I grace of God, but I took up 2 Snicker bar. I nearly grabbed 2 Snicker bar, you know, and I said, no, Vanessa, no. You remember, you see you're working on it. Remember, say you're working on it. You know, because your body are telling you, man, you feel for something sweet, eat something, you feel for something. While me knowing myself, say, I am not hungry, come eat a nice cup of oats this morning, yeah? So, as I said, I'm fighting that battle, and I'm not going to make it overtake, because I remember me get so fat, so I put on 40 pounds already, and me get it off back. And so I know that it is possible. I know that I can get it off, but I just have to be strong, and I have to be consistent, and have to be, you know, intentional with what I eat and stuff like that. I'm trying my best. I'm really trying my best. As I said, I'm struggling, and I'm not afraid to tell you guys when I'm struggling. I'm struggling with it, because that is, as I said, that is how I deal with my emotions. Me just bury it in a food. I love food. I love to eat, but I can normally control it. But whenever I'm sad, whenever I'm depressed, this is how my body deals with it. It's unfortunate, but it is true. So no, I just have to learn to control myself and curb the cravings, and curb the feeling that I am having of emptiness, because that's essentially what I'm feeling, just emptiness. Like inside of me just hollow. No matter how I eat, my belly don't feel full, right? But at the same time, none of my pants them can't fit me, none of my shirt them can't fit me. 20 pounds. I'm 200 pounds my weight, people. 200 pounds. Step up on the scale, I'm gonna tell you, traumatized. Even though I felt it, I know that it's there, but you know, when you see number, it shake you up even more. And that's why I say I will continue weighing myself every day, and then I can't exercise, because I put that out there. I cannot exercise right now. You know that I will do it, but I cannot do it right now, because one, my life is so unpredictable. Today I can be here, and tomorrow them 5 doctors that will control my life call me and say, oh, you have to come in for this, or you have to come in for that, or whatever. So my life is so unpredictable. So exercising is out. Now how much in time we spend at hospital. When I'm at the hospital, where am I gonna exercise? So you understand what I'm saying? So I really can't exercise right now. So the only thing that I can do is attack the eating, and that's what I'm doing. Control what I'm eating. I'm trying to do the fasting thing, intermediate fasting. I did it before, so I know I can do it again. As I say, I just try to be strong for myself, and don't put my body under any more stress, because you know what happens when you don't eat properly. Yeah, just more problem that we can't take anymore. Too much. Lord Jesus, we're tired. Alright, so come, we're gonna get some sleep. Tomorrow I'll go back to Mr. Warmington. Okay, so I got home, got an hour sleep. I'm feeling so much better. Yeah, and I'm here at my son's school now. Gonna pick him up, but listen, things and time has changed so much. It is not funny. I remember going to school. We have to walk home from school now. Them children here, no matter how far them live or how close them live, they all have a driver picking them up, or they are a parent picking them up. Time has really changed, and it is good, it is funny at the same time, and it can be a little bit bad too. These children are not learning certain survival skills. A lot of them don't even know if to walk on road. But it is a society that we're living in, and yeah. So let me get a park and go get my boy. So it is. Then I say good evening to the vlog.
Good evening vlog.
Good evening vlog. So I come in our car, right? And he said, Mommy, me get 30 out of 10 for my science. I said, 30 out of 10? We get 30 out of 10. So it turns out that is not that the man get 30 out of 40. The man was tired. I'm tired. So
And come get 30 out of 40, I feel shame.
you get 30 out of 40 and you feel shame. So no 10 you get out of 40. And then no 30 out of 10. No, it's okay. It's okay. The world know that you're struggling right now. But we're still proud of you. We are super, super proud of you. And you're doing the best that you can do. Whoop, whoop. What a patrol! Jesus. Osh. So I'm just leave out for go work. And I have to leave both of my children, both of them sick. Not equally, but both of them sick. Ace have a GI thing because him don't eat, him only drink milk. And it means there's only, your body need good bacteria and bad bacteria, right? So therefore him have a build-up of bad bacteria. So every now and then him get a fever, him run a fever, and then him have a cold with it again to that make it double worse. So it is a lot, Then Roger now, he is so weak. The man is so weak. So me stop and I go take him out to the car a while ago. The man vomits. That's how when we pick him up from school, him vomit. Carry him inside, I literally peel off him school clothes off him because he was so weak he could not take off his school clothes. And my beard, me get to them then different set of medicine, and my beard and me left out to come out to go out work. And me just stop and me have to think to myself, think. Come and say self, this can't real. Because when you look at certain people's life, every single thing good in their life, everything good in some people's life. Some people's life are flourish, every single thing good in their life. And then you look at some other people's life, and their life just mess up. Like, talking honest truth to God now. All I want, me not even require much out of life. All I want, I pin them for this, alright. That is it. So, oh my God, it is too much sometimes, man. It's too much sometimes. God knows it's too much sometimes. It's too much. Me no want. Me don't want the riches of the world. You understand? All I want for my children to be just happy and healthy. Just happy and healthy. That's it. That is it. We have to go to work. We cannot take any more day off because I have to take the days when I have to carry Jake to hospital. I have to take those days. So it's not like so I can't say, alright then, no, me I stay home with them today because I have to go to the people them work. Because I need the money to take care of them. It is too much, man. It's too much. I need a break. I need a break. Oh, Jesus. I'm tired. I'm tired mentally, physically, emotionally. Every day I'm early at this point. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Today I just feel it's just like from one thing to the next, from one thing to the next, from one thing to the next. Like, when it gonna stop? Like, me know, like, you know, trust in God's plan, trust the timing, trust and everything I got alright, but sometimes I feel too long, so feel long. Oh God, we just ask for strength to push through. We just ask for strength to push through. We just ask for strength for push through. We just ask you for strength for push through. Jesus. Jesus. Oh God. It's when I think about other people, everybody have them cross a beer, you know. That is the truth. Everybody have them cross a beer, but God know. God know this feel heavy. It feel heavy, man. Weight tight too much, man. Weight too much. Weight too much. Weight too much, me just God, me just ask you. His strength is made perfect in my time of weakness. His strength is made perfect in my time of weakness. His strength is made perfect in my time of weakness. His strength is made perfect in my time of weakness. Almighty God, come through for me now. Come through for me now. Come through for me now, Jesus. Come through for me now, Jesus. Come through. Come through for me, Jesus. Come through. Come through. One more time. One more time, Father. One more time.